What's up guys, welcome to our channel. Today something new and exciting is on the way. From the title you guys already know what it is. So let's go outside and check it out. So here we have our brand new build. It's a 2020 Ford Mustang GT with the performance package 1. As you can see, we have front lip, our performance pack wheels, and of course performance pack spoiler, but it's broken, so we have to replace that. So it's mostly the damage on the rear end, so it looks like somebody hit in the middle right here. As you can see, our window glass is down, and it doesn't matter how much I try, it's not going up. Our battery is fully charged, even car is starting. Let me just show you guys. Even with the car on, our window is not going up. So let's look up at the code and let's see what's going on. So as you can see, there is our ODB device, and I have connected to my phone. This is the app for the Ford, and look at the codes. So I was just doing the search. As you can see, there is a error for body control module, and in that one it says lost communication with the door control module A. It's the same thing for door control module B. So I did some research and found that it's due to we have lost the communication with the body control module B. So our body control module B is located, let me show you, right over here. So this is our body control module B, and looks like some of the wires are pinched in the damage somewhere, probably over here, and it's creating the short to the ground, and that's why we have lost the communication. So it looks like we cannot close our windows until we fix whole end and fix the wiring for that module. The car is pretty dirty, we have to clean it. Plus it came with the plastic wrap to cover the windows, and you can see it's making mess over here. So we have to clean it first. I'm going to cover with our other plastic piece and then going to do the car wash. Look at this now, it looks much more better. I have just noticed it also comes with the Brembo 6-piston front calipers. So let's see what is under the hood here. Look at this big 5.0 liter engine. There is no turbo, it's a V8 5.0. And it's almost brand new. It's a 2020 and it's only 11,000 kilometers, so it's not even driven too much. As you can see, there is a glue is still there. I have to find something so I can remove it without damaging our clear coat here, because we are not going to paint this one. Probably we're going to blend the color with the quarter panel, so I'm not worried too much about the quarter panel. But we have to make sure we don't damage our door clear coat. Let's go inside and see what it comes with. Inside it comes with the leather seat, so it's a GT Premium Edition. There is our Mustang badge right here. Since we have a performance pack 1, it comes with the oil pressure gauge and a vacuum gauge. And also the 2020 GT comes with the 55-year badge. So it's a manual transmission, 6-speed. There are some toggle switches for traction control and then other modes like a sport, street and all other modes, but it's still not working, so I don't know which mode it comes with. This is our wheel lock nut. Okay, so it comes with the navigation built in. You can see the climate control is completely turned off. Even with the engine on, I cannot turn on. So once we fix our damage, hopefully it starts working. Navigation, apps, the settings. I think it's exactly same as all other GT models. There is not big difference. I think that's all we're going to do today. I'm going to talk to the frame guy and let's see how it's going to work out. Probably in next video we're going to start with removing some of the stuff from the trunk, and also probably we're going to remove the rear glass and the quarter panel window glass. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below. And if you want to see more videos of the Mustang GT, please hit the subscribe and support our channel. See you next time.